tired of this. Of all the love that I give, and I don't get it back in return. I don't even know I try anymore to even see where a love will take me to. Love got me feeling cold, and I'm not looking back for you. That's the reason I ain't giving no love for you. You ain't getting no love from me. You ain't getting no love. You ain't getting no love from me. You say you love me, you know, but you ain't getting no love from me no more. No love, no love, no love, no love, no. No love, no love, no love, no love, no, no. You ain't getting no love from me. So I don't even know why you even try to talk to me. You ain't getting no love. Called on my phone, you know, saying that you miss me. I ain't missing you, no, 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 no. I've been doing me, smoking these doobies, relaxing though. I ain't looking back to the times when we used to love each other though. I'm just tired of the fact you see the way that you got me feeling that this is a fantasy, a dream where I can never wake. It's so lucrative and lucid in a way that I can't even wake. I've been waking and baking and smoking and toking though. I've been doing this for a long time, no way I'm changing up though. I still do me, never looking back for you, you know. If you call down and tell me you love me, you ain't getting no love, no love, no love, no love, no love, no more. You ain't getting no love, no love, no love from me no more. You ain't getting love, no love, no love, no love, no love, no love. No love, no love, no love, no love, no love, no love. You ain't getting no love, no love, no love, no love, no more. Nigga like me, you ain't getting no love from me. You ain't getting no love from me. You say you love me though, but I ain't looking back for you, ho. I'm doing me right now, just trying to chase my dreams, and nobody's getting love from me. Ain't nobody check to see how I do, how the fuck I really breathe, how the fuck I'm still alive, even try to survive and everything. It's just that life is always up and down right now. Fuck anybody who ain't here right now. You ain't getting no love from me. You ain't getting no love, you see. Fuck these ways, girls, all they wanna do is toss the pussy. Getting no love from me, no love from me. You ain't getting no love, no love, no love, no love, no love from me.
I'm telling you, this is dope as hell. Look at this. Another lit area. This is lit.
There's a gym right here that mans need to fight at. The fucking Charmeleon.
So lit.
Recording now?
Yeah, try to zoom. Hold it careful. Alright, Krishan, you ready?
Yeah, I wanna do it too.
Alright, we snapping this shit. We snapping this shit.
Take one.
Yeah, yeah.
Set, go.
He's doing the most.
I know. Awesome. Now, if I can figure out how to get the neons like that to get in my room, it's a wrap. I will get that shit straight up in my room. Fuck putting that shit under your car, bro. That shit looks too lit in a motherfucker, especially that color. God damn, green. You know what I mean? Hey.
Ow, that's a butt sore, dog. Ow. That bounced off of his head. Oh my god, didn't even expect it.
Transform. Autobots, roll out. Bumblebee, look out. It's Megatron. He's coming to you. He's gonna slash you. No!
Yeah, I think this can work. I don't know if the speakers is working. Oh, frig, man. Oh, I need a speakers.